is it possible to see a reference on the bank reconciliation? Answer is yes. I'm going to show you how you can achieve this. So let's say we have a sales invoice 37 with a reference P-O CRM 0812, and we want to see it on our bank when we reconcile it. So I've tested it with uploading manually bank statements option, and with this option what you need to do is to ensure that when you upload CSV file on Xero, you select a reference and allocate it to the reference on Xero. This means that the reference will be tagged along with that information, and what you will achieve is when we go back to our bank statement now, after you uploaded it into Xero, as you can see on the left hand side, I've now not only invoice number, but I also have the reference number all together under received option. And on the right hand side, the system in green shows me that it found this particular match with 2,000 pounds matching to our invoice on the bank statement. I hope this video was useful. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other playlist and videos. Thank you for watching.